The Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya warmly welcomed its fighters for bringing laurels to the state by emerging victorious in the National Federation Cup held in Agartala, Tripura from December 18 to December 21, 2024. Meghalaya secured the championship title with an impressive tally of 17 gold medals, 16 silver medals and 13 bronze medals, outshining all other competitors. Upon their return, the association held a felicitation ceremony at Umlingkadaj village near Nongpo to honor the fighters for their remarkable feats.
Ketika championship atau ketika Federation Cup ladon Meghalaya tuli state lawan bercipta ketika championship perang jong ketika jilakai perang jilai sitom nak yang jong ka Muay Thai Federation milayo ya ka champion team ketika championship bang dokumen hadu rata ba ni ba ka jingtibel ane ba ni iru ya jing improve jong ki nak kaliang jong Meghalaya ni ai play na iwe piwe by job akan ka jilakai Paling layo aro kanyo tuli gold medal, kanrio tuli silver medal, Meghalaya tuli bronze medal.